Okay, I will show you now a trick how you can have several Cqrlogs with your system. Perhaps you like to have another Cqrlog for the contest working, or for other user that uses the same username. It's quite easy, but you have to remember you cannot start those duplicated Cqrlogs at the same time. Only one Cqrlog can run at a time, so you must shut off the Cqrlog before you start another one. Otherwise they don't work okay. But let's see, I have here in my virtual machine I have Cqrlog there, and that's it. That is completely for testing, and don't use this to anything else. And let's see the QSO list. We have here 3 QSOs, and now we can close the Cqrlog. And the easiest way to do this is use the command console. The Cqrlog program itself is in user bin folder, and now to get another Cqrlog you must duplicate this Cqrlog program. You need to use sudo, because the user bin folder is not allowed to change with the user call sign. Copy the Cqrlog to let's say we copy this to Cqrlog B. Task to password like this. Now we have two Cqrlogs, the first one and the version B here, or the copy B, because the version is the same. Now at the start menu we have only this first one, that is from the installation, and if you want to put this second Cqrlog to start menu, you have to modify the start menu itself. But we can start it from command console now, because it's quicker way. Later we can add it to the menu or make the icon to desktop. So let's start this Cqrlog B. Okay, it says that I have never used Cqrlog before. So we create the first log. We have some settings there. Now it's ready to open. And because this is the first start, we get the splash from Cqrlog. And we don't like to do it now. So we have here Cqrlog. It's new and clean. We don't have call signs. Everything must be set, and if you look to QSO list, it's empty. And now we close this Cqrlog and start the other one. From here. And open the log. We don't want to do that now. Let's see what we have here in preferences. Yes, we have call sign there. And if we look at the QSO list, we have those QSOs. So now we have two Cqrlogs that use different log database, but remember, don't start them together. That will mix up the things. And if we look at the files, this is unfortunately down in Finnish, but you get the idea. First we have to check the show hidden files here. It's Ctrl-H, otherwise we don't see the config folder that starts with dot. And if we open the config folder from here, we can see that we have there a folder Cqrlog and Cqrlog B. And in Cqrlog folder we have all these folders and database that holds the log number 1. And if we go back to config folder and go to Cqrlog B, we have identical contents here, like this. So they don't get mixed. And the program name Cqrlog B sets the folder name here at the config side, and so you don't mix the settings with these two Cqrlogs, as long as you don't start them at the same time. And you can make several of them just by copying the binary file, the program file at the user bin, and give different names to that. So it's quite easy to make a duplicate or triplet or even more Cqrlogs with same Linux user. And in some cases this can be useful. At least you can test that what happens if you start Cqrlog from empty start. So that's the trick. Hope you enjoyed that.